Imagine a fighter jet flying deep inside enemy territory, and enemy radars can't even see it. This is called stealth technology, one of the most important inventions in modern air warfare. Stealth doesn't make an aircraft completely invisible. Instead, it makes the jet extremely difficult to detect and track by radar. The secret starts with the aircraft's shape. Modern stealth fighters like the F-35, F-22, J-20 and Su-57 use angled surfaces that scatter radar waves away from the enemy radar station. Next comes special radar-absorbing materials, often called RAM coatings. Stealth jets also hide their engines and weapons inside internal bays to reduce both radar and heat signatures. As a result, enemy air defenses may detect the aircraft only when it is already too close. This gives stealth fighters a massive advantage. They can strike first, gather intelligence, escape before the enemy fully understands what happened. That's why stealth technology has completely changed modern aerial warfare.